Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can scan and attach PDF documents while writing an email on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, open up the Mail app, and in here, tap on the Compose button at the bottom. During the composing of an email, tap on the email text body. Next, you want to bring up the toolbar above the keyboard. So tap on the arrow button here if you do not see the toolbar. Next, tap on the scan button right here. And now point the camera at the document and then tap on the shoot button to capture the document. Now you can also use the selection tool to realign your documents. So if your document is not straightened, now you can see the camera will automatically try to straighten the documents. Sometimes if it is not straightened, you can basically readjust it. So here you can see I can use the handle to readjust the documents like so, and then tap on keep scanning. And after that, once you have finished with the scanning, tap on the photo preview on the corner. And in here, you can rotate the document as necessary. You can also apply the filter. So this one would be grayscale, or you can keep it as in color. And then tap on done at the top. Now you can also use the crop button to crop the image, or you can cancel it. Then tap on done. Right after that, tap on the save button right next to the shoot button. And that's it. So now we have successfully attached a new scanned document to an email. And if you have any other documents that is available in your device, you can tap on this button right here, Files button. And this will allow you to select a PDF document that is already downloaded on your phone. So for example, right here, I can insert this PDF document onto my device. And in this email here, I have one scanned document and one document is attached from my files manager. And after that, you can add in the recipient and the subject of an email. And after that, you can tap on the send button to send your emails with the scanned documents. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.